Go hands-free with the Steelie Orbiter Dash Mount Kit. This kit pairs the classic Steelie dash mount with the Orbiter magnetic socket and a low-profile steel plate for your phone, creating the perfect solution for mounting your device to your dash. Simply install the plate onto your phone or case using the included 3M adhesive. Then, adhere the dash mount to any smooth, hard surface in your car. Attach the patented Orbiter magnetic socket to the dash mount and you're ready to rotate your phone for the perfect viewing angle. By combining high-friction materials with the magnetic strength of Steelie's powerful neodymium magnet, the Orbiter magnetic socket holds your phone securely in place. Next time you hit the road, buckle up and cruise on worry-free with the Steelie Orbiter Dash Mount Kit by Nite.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.